Hi, Kokomo School Corporation IT Department. If you find that there's some programs that you may need, maybe you need Google Chrome or VLC or something like that, it's really simple. We make it really easy for you to download those. If you just come down here to the Start menu and right click on it, you can come all the way to the top and hit Apps and Features. This window may open in a smaller window like that. You'll just want to maximize it and then come over here to Programs and Features. You want to come over to the left panel and install a program from the network. And right here you can see here's Google Chrome, so we'll install that. You just select it, come up here, hit install, and it will install. Be patient, this could take a couple minutes. Alright, once that dialog box that shows that it's installing, it goes away, you should be good to go. So we can just check that by closing out these windows, and it appears right here on your desktop. So you are good to go. Thank you and have a wonderful day.